Hi, I'm Stephanie, website designer and video creator at The Web Designers. If you're here, you're probably looking for a way to better connect with your customers, right? Here's a secret: nothing grabs attention and builds trust faster than a video on your homepage. No matter your industry, whether it's auto repair, accounting, plumbing, roofing, cleaning services, or any local business, explaining what you do and how you can help is the key. And video is the perfect way to do it. There are so many ways to use video to engage your audience. You could bring your business to life with a 3D character, simplify your process with an animated explainer video, or show your team in action with a live-action video. You can even get creative with photo-to-talking videos, whiteboard animations, or a fun cartoon character to convey your message. Need something for social media? A square ad video could grab attention, or perhaps you want a logo animation to strengthen your brand. Whether it's a fantasy character, a singing video, or something unique, there's a video style that will resonate with your audience. Video is a game changer. It builds trust, creates a great first impression, and helps your potential customers understand your services and feel confident about taking the next step. So, whether you're in hospitality, healthcare, home services, or any other field, adding a video to your homepage is a fantastic way to engage, educate, and encourage visitors to take action. Add a video to your homepage today, whether it's a 3D character, animated explainer, or even a talking animal, because the right video grabs attention, builds trust, and drives action. Click on the Start Here button on top right of this page, fill out the form, and in less than 24 hours we'll get in touch to show you how we can create your next video.